Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Béarnaise sauce. First, you'll need to create the flavorful reduction. Combine 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of finely minced shallots, a few sprigs of fresh tarragon, and about 1/2 teaspoon of crushed black peppercorns in a small saucepan. Simmer this mixture gently until it reduces to approximately 2 tablespoons. This concentrated liquid is the heart of your Béarnaise. Next, we'll prepare the egg yolks for emulsification. Separate 3 large egg yolks into a heat-proof bowl. Place this bowl over a saucepan of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Make sure the bottom of the bowl does not touch the water. Whisk the egg yolks continuously and vigorously until they become thick, pale, and creamy. This process takes about 3 to 5 minutes and is crucial for a stable sauce. Now for the magic, incorporating the butter. Gradually, in a very slow, steady stream, whisk in 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of warm, clarified butter. It's essential to whisk continuously and vigorously as you add the butter. This slow addition and constant whisking will create a beautiful, thick, and stable emulsion. If you add the butter too quickly, your sauce might separate. Finally, let's finish and season our Béarnaise. Strain the prepared reduction into your emulsified egg yolks, discarding the solids. Stir in 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped tarragon and 1/2 tablespoon of fresh chervil. Taste and season with a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper to your liking. Serve your warm, velvety Béarnaise sauce immediately with steak, fish, or vegetables. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.